Hey guys, today's video is going to be a bittersweet video because I've been waiting to do this for about a year now. We're actually going to unbox my starter kit from Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski. The reason I say it's a bittersweet video and that I've been waiting to do this unboxing is because I actually was a previous consultant. A little over a year ago, I joined Touchstone Crystal and I did very well in the company. I promoted to a group leader within the first 3 months. I was able to go to Providence, Rhode Island and St. Louis, Missouri and go do all kinds of amazing things with the company. But unfortunately for me at the time, it wasn't the right time for me to be, launching my business and doing all this stuff because my personal life wasn't, what it should have been to succeed really, really well in this company. Careers, relationships, all this stuff. It was just bad timing. But now, flash to the future, today, everything is perfect. I actually was being pushed to rejoin this company. My boyfriend was my biggest supporter to this, so this time around, I know it's going to be so much better. The reason I'm sharing this live on YouTube is so everybody can understand what Touchstone Crystal has to offer in the direct sales world and why it stands out from the direct sales world. And I'm just going to show you everything that you get in this kit, and the kit is only $139. So you really aren't losing anything. You're gaining an amazing business that's going to take you so many places. So with that being said, we will get started. If you haven't heard of Touchstone Crystal, it's actually the direct sales division of Swarovski. I'm sure you've heard of Swarovski. It's kind of hard not to. You think of the star on the Christmas tree in New York City. There's just everywhere, red carpet, you name it. Swarovski Crystal is there. They wanted to make a direct sales division, which is what Touchstone is. It's actually the direct sales division by the founders. It's within the company. This is a Swarovski company, which is the best part about working for it. In the direct sales world, it totally stands out because this is more of a party-based business. You can do your sales online and stuff like that, but you really succeed with this company by doing the in-home parties and getting the word out and all that good stuff. When it comes to the direct sales companies out there, I've seen a lot of them. I've tried a couple different companies way in the past. A few years ago, I tried. I'm not going to say any names, but I've been a member of a couple different ones, and none of them were as rewarding as Touchstone was, in better terms. Touchstone Crystal offers so many vacation incentives, free jewelry incentives, just so many opportunities that it's just unheard of. And it's not that hard to obtain either, which is another reason why this makes this company the best direct sales company out there, in my opinion. So if you love jewelry and all that stuff, consider looking into Touchstone because you're gonna love it. Compensation plan wise, it's also unheard of. That's something that you want to also look into when you go into it, but it's one of the best paying direct sales companies out there. So yeah, we're gonna get started and open this box. I've only cut it open, so we're gonna see what's inside. Look at my boyfriend's birthday was the other day, so we just got the bag back there. All right, so paper, which we don't need. That's just gonna list everything that's in the kit. I'm gonna read that to myself. The first thing that you're gonna see is this packet of all your new consultant flyers, kind of what's going on. You get discounts to Vistaprint, all that good stuff. So you wanna make sure you go through this. As for the video's sake, you really don't wanna see all this right now. So we'll skip that. And I will warn you, your starter kit, it's a heavy box. So be ready to pick that sucker up when it's on your porch. And as for the lighting, you can see I'm kind of in the natural light. I wanted to open the curtains and film this in natural lighting so you could try to see the best sparkle on camera, because I know it's kind of hard to capture the jewelry's actual shine. So you get host order forms, which are important for your parties, your customer order forms, of course, gotta have those. Then you got your new consultant guide, wedding guide. I haven't seen the wedding guide. Well, maybe there was a wedding guide when I joined the first time. I'm not quite sure. And then we got the consultant jewelry guide. This, you're going to want to save. Trust me. These are the party cards that are going to help you with your in-home parties. Kind of the right words to say. You follow these cards, and it's going to lead to the best results. Sales-wise, consultant-wise, recruiting new people. Trust the cards. carry these with you. They're going to be your best friend. Consultant opportunity flyers. Always take those with you in case somebody wants to know what you do. Host opportunity flyers. And here's what makes it so heavy. I'm actually not even going to pick it up. It is the catalogs. There are 25 catalogs in here. And if you've ever seen, I actually have one right here. They're thick catalogs. So you can see where that weight comes from. All right. There's a couple more things right up here. We have party invites, little postcards that your hosts can use. And then we have the preview, little smaller ones if you want to mail them, all that good stuff. Here's the good stuff. This is what everyone's probably wanting to see is the jewelry. What kind of jewelry you get. So let me move all this back into the box and we will open this up. Okay. It's like a huge Ziploc bag. How cool is that? I'm just going to go ahead and reach right in and we're going to discover all this together. So the first one is the Cha-Cha Lariat. This one was actually free for joining in the month of December. So it's an extra piece that you get in your kit. And wow. So a lot of these pieces I haven't even seen in person yet. Because like I said, I've been out of the business for a little over a year. So there's a whole new line of jewelry that I haven't seen. So maybe what I should do, I'm going to take this off. This is actually a Touchstone piece. This is the extra long Chanel. It's one of my favorite daily pieces. Goes with everything. And for some of these that are longer that I can show you, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So this one, kind of wrapped it around and we're going to tuck it like that. I think, yeah, that looks right. That is a beautiful piece. Wow. This one is definitely going to be on display at the parties, but this is definitely going to be one of my go-to pieces from Touchstone. I mean, looking up in this, there's all the little crystals just in the necklace, making it super shiny, super blingy. It's going to grab everyone's attention. Here's the best thing. These pieces are so just stunning, obviously. It's the Swarovski crystal. When you're out in public, everyone just gets distracted by the shine of your pieces, and your pieces look really expensive. So that is the bonus to this company, is not only is everything high quality, it looks like it should be so much more. And it's just so affordable for everybody to have these pieces. So that was the Cha-Cha Lariat. The white ice bracelet. I think the ice bracelets are kind of the staple of Touchstone Crystal. Everybody wants to have a wrist party, and your ice bracelets are the main thing for your wrist party. So these retail at $89 a piece. They're, I don't know if you can see the sparkle that well. I live in Illinois, so it's snowing outside. So it's a little frosty. It's kind of cold right now, but it's just the white ice, just normal crystals, all that good stuff. So there's that one. So these two pieces alone have paid for the kit. I mean, the ice bracelet's $89. That necklace, I believe, hold on, I can tell you, is $139. So the first necklace I showed you is the price of the kit. And I got that for free. Joining in December. I still haven't even made it up. So, the wrap star, awesome. I have a bunch of wrap stars actually right here. I have them from, I was in it when they launched the wrap stars. That was right before I left. So I do have quite a few of those. So let's see what color we got. Maybe I already have it. Oh yeah, I do already have it. So this is the wrap star Aurora Boreal bracelet. These are just gorgeous on. You can layer them with the ice bracelets. Honestly, you can layer them with like any of the pieces from Touchstone. All of their pieces blend together so well that you can just mix all your metals and all that good stuff. Okay, the pipette necklace. Ooh, I've wanted this one since I saw them come out with it. I'm a huge fan of dainty necklaces. I do like my big statement pieces, but there's just something about the dainty ones that I always fall back to. Like I have, this was an incentive back when I joined a while ago, my Swarovski Swan, and oh my gosh, this is gonna probably be another frequent one. It's like a black, almost like a gunmetal dainty necklace. Can you see it? Come on, there we go. And it just shines so much. This is why I love all their pieces, but without taking my swan off, you see it probably falls around the same area. So if you're a fan of the dainty necklaces, the pipette is definitely going to be a good one for you. We got the Millionaires Club. I've had these for probably 2 years. This is one of the first things I got. These are the, I can tell you, they're from the Little Black Dress line. Right here. These are the golden Monte Carlo earrings. They're $42. I've had them for 2 years and they are still in perfect condition. I wear these every day. So if that doesn't tell you just the quality of the pieces in Touchstone, I don't know what else will. These have been used and abused. They've traveled, they've gone to work, and they're in perfect condition. So I love their stud earrings because the value, you just cannot beat it. You can walk into a high-end jewelry store and ask for stud earrings, but these are just as good. So you may as well just buy these. And all of the products come with a lifetime warranty anyways. So if you need to get them replaced, you can do that without paying full price again. So these are just basic stud. I used to have these ones. I actually think I lost one on accident, which broke my heart because these are the size that I like. The Monte Carlos are just a little smaller. But these are the actual ones I like to wear every day. So I might leave them in the box for now, just for party's sake, but definitely gonna be getting myself another pair of those. Okay, we got the Bliss earrings. Have I seen these? I can't remember. Okay, yeah, I know which one these are. So they are just kind of like the drop earrings. This is the Aurora Boreal crystal, without taking, well, no, it's taped all the way in there. So it's just like a little drop one. You can kind of see the crystal hiding underneath there. All that good stuff. Those are really pretty. Those were another things that launched before I stopped. And I actually sold a lot of those the first time around. So I'm excited to have that in the kit. The Birthstone line is another huge seller in Touchstone Crystal. It looks like they sent the April bracelet, which is basically your white crystal. Everybody loves to get these if you have like children or anything like that. You can kind of stack them. So you can just see how amazing it looks. Yeah. Okay. So we got that. Your ring sizer that comes in your kit. So when you do parties, your customers can measure. And then the converter is also another thing where you can make your necklaces shorter, you can bundle them, all that good stuff. This is a really helpful tool for that. So make sure you have it in a spot that you can show your customers at parties. This is the Point of View necklace. I don't know if I've seen this one in person. There's another new piece probably. Okay. This is a longer one, I think. Oh no, okay. So this one actually is more of a chest piece. Ooh, that's gonna be really pretty. I'm just looking at myself in the camera, so I don't even know. It's gonna look way better in person, obviously. It's a little tangled, there we go. So you see it's gonna fall right where that swan is, and then it drops another piece with the crystals on it. Super pretty. I like that. Touchstone really, every catalog follows what is trendy right now, and they come out with pieces to match those trends. So everything is always in style. The Chanel, these are another staple to Touchstone. These are the long, kind of like the one I was wearing. I was wearing the extra long Chanel, but this is the normal size Chanel, and I'll try this one on for you. I think this is the Aurora Boreal crystal, looks like it. The Aurora Boreal was actually created by Christian Dior for Swarovski, so that's that unique kind of color. Reminds you of the Northern Lights almost. Okay, so this is your Chanel. It's so easy just to layer the pieces with Touchstone because, I mean, this falls here. This is a nice short one. I honestly could probably have another one drop right here, and it would still look really good. So your Chanels are perfect for daily wear. If you have a job that you can wear jewelry to, and if you buy this kit and just start wearing jewelry to work, you're probably gonna end up having people wanting to buy it. So you may as well just buy yourself the business. And there's 2 pieces still in here. So we're probably valued at a little, probably over 600 bucks, if not more. Kit's valued, I think, just shy of 800. So you get a lot of good stuff. So this is the Crystal Aurora Boreal Pave Ball Necklace. Another little dainty one, but this one is a ball. Cute, right? I really like that. So you can kind of see that Northern Light Aurora Boreal crystal. Super pretty. This is so exciting. I need to go to Menards and get better storage for all this stuff because I don't want it to tangle. All right, there's one piece left. And the glitz necklace. Okay, yeah, I know what this is. So, yay! It's like a little, it's a collar necklace. It's a major statement piece. Whenever I wear these out, everybody wants one of them. You see like all the colors in this crystal? Only through this. Only through Touchstone and Swarovski. So that's that. Alright. With that being said, that is the end of the kit. And it looks like $700 worth of jewels in this kit alone. So the kit was $139 and you get $700 worth of jewels. To me, that is a fair price. If you're looking to start a business, definitely consider Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski. It's one of the best ones out there for home-based direct sales, whatever this falls under. It's not like the ones that kind of scare everybody away. You know what I'm talking about. And they're just such a fun, honest company, and you can actually earn a very, very good living with it. And they're just so generous to all their consultants. So trust me, it's the best. I know I probably sound like a broken record, but I'm just super pumped to be back in this company, and I can't wait to see where it takes me. Follow them on Facebook, follow their websites, do everything, keep them in your life, because this is some of the best jewelry that you'll find in today's world. So, and they keep improving, they keep up with all the trends. Yeah, then you can save a lot of money. If you host parties, you can earn a lot of it for free, and I just can keep going on. But there's so many perks to this. So if you know a Touchstone consultant, if you're looking for one or anything like that, contact one of us, or contact your consultant today. Tell her you want the kit. Tell her you want a piece that you just saw. It's the best. So I'm going to stop saying it's the best 100 times and probably just stop the video. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I'll respond probably same day. So I'm always on my phone. So if you guys want, I will also leave the link down below for my personal website if you want to just look. Otherwise, yeah, have a good night. I hope this helped some of you. If you're a consultant that's about to join, hopefully this gave you a better idea of what's in your kit, and good luck on your new opportunity. I hope I see you in Providence and all the other places that will go with Touchstone. So yeah, see ya.